Welcome to Algebra Prep Academy. Today's lesson is multiplying and dividing rational expressions.
When multiplying fractions, you multiply across, so 2 times 3 for the top and 4 times 4 for the bottom. When dividing fractions, you flip the second fraction. The division sign becomes multiplication. 4 is cancelled because 4 over 4 equals 1. The FOIL method is used to multiply binomials. It stands for first, outer, inner, and last. So you multiply the first variables, or numbers, of each binomial, x times x. Then the outer, which means you multiply the ones on the outer sides of the binomials, x times 1. Inner is the ones right next to each other, 2 and x. And last is the one on the right of each binomial, so 1 and 2. Factoring is the opposite of multiplying binomials. First, set up 2 sets of parentheses. Then find out what 2 variables multiply to make x squared, which is x and x, and put them in the first empty spaces of each parentheses. Next, we need 2 numbers that make 5, which is 4 and 1. But because 5 is negative, that means there is a minus sign in one of the sets of parentheses. So we use the middle, negative 4x, to help us. Ignoring the x, we need 5 and 1 to equal negative 4. By putting the minus sign in front of 5, finally we have x minus 5 times x plus 1.
Example 1. Simplify the rational expression. First, multiply the top to the top and the bottom to the bottom. Use the FOIL method to multiply x plus 3 and 2x plus 4, and you get 2x squared plus 10x plus 12. Simplify the expression by taking out a 2 from the top and crossing out that 2 and the 2 from the 2x. Finally, you get x squared plus 5x
Plus 6.
all over x. Example 2. Because it wants us to divide, you must flip the second fraction. This allows you to multiply across. Since a plus 2 is on the top and bottom, it would cancel out, leaving a minus 5 over a minus 1.
Example 3. Since these rational expressions are quadratic, they can be factored. N squared minus 3n plus 2 is factored into n minus 1 and n minus 2. Before you multiply across, notice n minus 2 is on the top and bottom, allowing us to cross it out. This leaves n minus 1 and 3n plus 3 to be multiplied. But, because the 3 can be taken out, n plus 1 cancels. So, the answer is 3n minus 3.
Example 4. Numbers are not the only ones that can be taken out. In n cubed plus 4n squared is taken out, making it n squared times n plus 4. Factor the quadratic expressions. Flip the second fraction and cancel. The answer is n plus 1 over n minus 1.
Thanks for watching.